If you and your siblings are set to inherit your parents' home, it's not always a blessing. Today, I'll walk you through some things that can go sideways and, most importantly, how to avoid family drama. These lessons are essential if you want to protect your relationships and your finances. Remember to share this with somebody you know who may be going through or ready to go through a situation like this. So let's dive in. Picture this. You and your siblings inherit your parents' house. One sibling wants to keep it, while the others may want to sell it. Seems manageable, right? Not so fast. Take the story of one man who bought out his siblings, and years later he sold the house for triple the value. Now the siblings felt entitled to that profit, even though they agreed to the buyout years ago. Can you say awkward family dinner? Legally, this man owns them nothing. His siblings had their chance, they just chose to spend the money instead of investing it. So what can you do to avoid these messy situations? Estate attorneys recommend that you get an appraisal at the time of the inheritance. Put everything in writing with an attorney. Verbal agreements are a bad idea. If you're buying out your siblings, ensure you do it at fair market value and document the transaction thoroughly. And parents, if you're watching this, you can help your kids avoid future conflict by being crystal clear in your will or trust. Specify what you want to happen with the house. Don't assume your kids will just figure it out. Other common inheritance nightmares: missing items, siblings wanting to live in the house rent-free, or someone refusing to move it out. If one sibling wants to move in, will they pay rent? Will they buy out the others? At what price? These need to be addressed up front. The key is communication and planning ahead, and don't be afraid to bring in professionals to help. Lawyers, appraisers, even real estate agents like me can save you a lot of headache. So here's the bottom line. Inheriting a house with your siblings can either bring you closer or drive you apart. The difference is preparation and clear agreement. Don't let family drama get in your way of the future. If you're dealing with a situation like this, or think you might one day, reach out to me. I'm here to help navigate the right way. Be sure to subscribe, drop your questions in the comment section below, and we'll see you on the next video. If you like this video, you'll probably also like this one.